Want to find your iPhone using your Apple Watch? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Quick, easy, and without touching your main menu. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might find it helpful. Alright, let's get started. First, just swipe up on your Apple Watch to open the Control Center. You don't need to navigate to the main menu. Once you're in the Control Center, look for the phone icon. It's right next to the Wi-Fi icon, and tap on it. Your Apple Watch will immediately start searching for your iPhone. If your phone is nearby, typically within 11 feet, it should pick it up right away. If it doesn't find it right away, don't worry. It will automatically expand the search area. So, it'll check 12 feet, 13 feet, 14 feet, 15 feet, and beyond. In my case, it found the iPhone about 16 feet away. Once your iPhone is detected, your watch will show you a direction arrow and display the distance. As you start walking toward it, the distance updates in real time, getting shorter as you move closer. When you finally pick up your iPhone, your Apple Watch screen will turn green with a check mark, confirming that the device has been successfully located. And that's it? Super simple. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.